On this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram story views. Hello guys, if you have any glitch with the story views on Instagram, if you can't see the views or you have any glitch, this video is gonna be helping you. So first way is you have to go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to apps again. Now on this page, all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and it will give you all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find it, click on it and then go here, click on notifications management, scroll down, go to the more settings. After that, on this page, all what you have to do is you need to enable this option and disable it again. After you enable it and disable it, then you have to do the same thing here with all the notifications. Disable it and enable it. Go back now. All what you have to do is just click on force stop and then go to the storage and click on clear cache and then clear data. Now restart your phone and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.